So Nathan is going to press the button.
Yes.
Forward. Make him move forward, Nathan. Make him move forward. He's moving forward, Nathan.
Where is he moving, Nathan?
Where is he moving?
Forward.
Stop him, Nathan. Stop him. Stop him, Nathan. Stop him. Very good. Make him move backwards, Nathan. Backwards. Backwards. This one, Nathan. Backwards. Face the sensors. Again. Very good, Nathan.
Where is he going, Nathan?
Backwards. Very good, Nathan. He's moving backwards. Stop him, Nathan. Again. Okay, very good. What's his name, Nathan? Dinosaur. Is Dino the Dino. Very good, Nathan. Dino the Dino. Can you make him move forward again, Nathan? Forward again, please. Move him forward. Very good. Where is he going, Nathan? He's moving. Very good. Can you stop him, please? That's it. Can you move him backwards, please? Sensors, please. Sensors. Again. Okay. And now he's moving backwards. Very good. Stop him. Very good. Make him turn around now. Make him turn. Yes, that's very good. You the sensors, please. Turn around. Press it. Press it. Press again. Turn. Tell him to turn.
Only one button, Nathan.
Just one button, Nathan. This one.
Look, he's turning.
He's turning. Look. Again, Nathan. Very good. Stop him, Nathan, please.
Stop! Stop!
Okay. Can we give it to someone else now? We'll try. Someone else will try. Let's see. Who do you want to try?
Dear.
Who? Choose a boy or a girl.
Give it to someone.
Choose a boy or a girl. Who?
Yes.
Bradley?
Yes.
Come on, Bradley. Come, Bradley. Give him the remote control to Bradley, please. Give him the remote control. Bradley will try. Sensors, Bradley. Forward, Bradley. Forward. Very good. Very good, Bradley. Stop, Bradley.
Do it again.
Backwards, Bradley. He's moving backwards. Very good. Stop. Okay, very good. Very good.